Good afternoon, YouTubers and viewers. Hope y'all like and subscribe to my channel, Calisthenic Ty, and my bro channel,
ShapedByMarley.
and my bro channel that's behind the camera right here.
Team Healthy Lifestyle, baby.
Y'all heard him. Come on, let's eat. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. We about to do a nice routine. Where we're gonna do one muscle up, climb to the next. In between the bars, we're gonna do one pull up each, all the way till we get to the other side. Then we're gonna hit one muscle up again. Let's eat, bro. Nice. Fire. Fire. Nice. Hold up. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Come on, come back. Come back. Come on. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's eat, bro. Let's eat. Yeah, eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Come on. Come on.
You're almost there, Marley. Come on, baby. You're almost there. You're almost there now. Come on. You're almost there. There you go.
There we go. Fight.
Come on. You're almost
Show
there.
them pain, bro. Show them that pain.
You're almost there, baby.
Show them that pain. There we go. There we go.
Yeah. Come on.
There we go. There we go. Money.
Come
Money.
on.
Money.
You there. You right there. Come on.
There you go.
There you go, though.
Nice, bro.
That's good work, baby. That's good work. That's good work. Let's go, Ty.
Come on. Light work. Come on. Almost there. Come on. Light work. Come on. Good transition. Come on. Come on. Light work.
That's good money.
Come on, light work. Come on. Come on. Almost done. Come on. One more. One more. Great transition. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Eat. There we go. There we go. Come on. That's it, y'all. Good shit. That's it. Come on, big bro.
That's good money.
Come on. There you go.
Nice.
There we go. Come on.
Nice. Nice.
Light work. Come on. Light work. Come on.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice.
Come on. I can't get it that way, yo. Woo.
Reset. Reset. Let's eat, big bro.
Come on, you got this. Come on, you got this. Come on.
You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. Look, look. Yeah. There we go. Nice.
Oh, that's next level, y'all.
Salute to my bro.
Took all the shit out of me. Good work. Good work. Oh my God. I hope y'all like,
I gotta work on that.
enjoy, and subscribe to all of our channels that were just right here. Peace, y'all. Let's eat.
Next time I'm just gonna try one.